Hi, Jonathan with Emigh Hardware, and today I am here to talk to you about the Wagner Flexio line of paint sprayers. Historically, people have steered away from the DIY paint sprayers because they were a little problematic. If you didn't clean them thoroughly, it would just continually clog up. So Wagner has taken care of that problem in that to clean this, it's basically three big chunky plastic parts. You'll take off this part here, you'll unscrew this part here, which then also reveals this part here. And to keep it from clogging, these are the only things that you need to clean, and it's incredibly simple, easy, and quick. The final step to cleaning your Wagner sprayer would be, of course, cleaning out the paint bucket as well as the paint intake tube. Very simple to remove. Soap and water rinse off if you're using a water-based product, mineral spirits if you're using an oil-based product. And in fact, it is so quick and easy to clean this sprayer that is actually faster than if you were cleaning brushes and rollers. Another issue that the DIY homeowner had with the older sprayers was the fact that you had to usually thin whatever product you were putting into your sprayer, be it a stain or a paint. And that could be complicated, and people were a little unsure about what the proper amount of thinning should be, and so that would create issues and problems in the past. Wagner has taken care of that issue as well. Absolutely no thinning is needed for any product that you will be using the sprayer for, and it is appropriate for oil-based products and water-based products, stains, and paints. The reason that no thinning is required is that Wagner has introduced the X-Boost motor. You have the ability to change from a high power to low power setting depending upon the thickness and viscosity of your product. Very simple but very effectual adjustments to make on the sprayer. You can spray in a horizontal pattern or vertical pattern. Easy as that to change the pattern. You also have the ability to do a wide spray or a narrow spray with that simple adjustment. And you are also able to adjust the amount of product that is being sprayed with this quick little simple adjustment right here. In addition, the current Wagner sprayers are 50% quieter and 20% lighter than previous sprayers. If you're looking for a sprayer to tackle larger projects, Wagner also has the stationary paint sprayers. One of the biggest advantages of the stationary paint sprayer is that the motor is housed in the unit that remains on the floor and not in the hand unit. So it's much lighter for longer, larger projects. Additionally, you are able to load a larger quantity of paint into the tank such that you don't need to be refilling quite as often as you do with the handheld sprayer. To my mind, the biggest advantage of going with a Flexio sprayer is the amount of time that you will save. I actually started restaining my back fence, and I was hand rolling the project. And to do an 8-foot section of fence that was 6 foot high, it would take me an hour to do that 8 feet. And I purchased my Wagner Flexio, and literally that same amount of space took me about 5 minutes. So if you have any additional questions, please feel free to come into the store or call the paint department here at Emigh Hardware. Thanks so much.